All right, guys, just taking this trade here on the Japanese yen, and what I've got up here for you guys is a 15-minute chart of the Japanese yen. And guys, if I look back in time, the Japanese yen has just been moving down and down and down and down and down, like with almost no buying pressure that comes into it. So if that's the case, we want to be a seller, and what I found here was a drop-based drop that came in. Now, here's the potential problem with this trade is that as we come into price, this isn't exactly the definition of what we call petering, but petering would be a move up and then stall, maintaining above 60 on the RSI before we breach through. We do come close to the level, but as we come back up, we are at 64. The problem is that near term, a little bit longer term, we do have divergence. You can see this. Divergence is defined by higher highs in price and lower lows on the indicator. We do have that, but the problem is that we're still above 60. And so when that's the case, I have to do two things. A, I have to limit my position size that I'm willing to take. Regardless of the account size, I've got to be prudent with my money. I worked hard and long for the money that we have. We do not want to take low probability trades and over leverage what the amount of risk that we're willing to take on it. So I've done that in the form of only taking 2 contract shorts. We are about even. We've been up $100, we've been down a little bit. Price is still deciding what it wants to do, but it does look like because of the momentum on this upside, though we're in a downtrend, guys, I still have to be pretty aggressive with my first target. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to move that first target down just to about right here on the chart, just above this drop base rally. And what we have far and below is not a lot of buying pressure. But yesterday at 12:30, we had a turning point here. So I'm going to make my second target down here just because I think that's prudent. Now, what we'll probably do is after we hit that, definitely what we'll do is once we get to halfway to our first target, we have to move our stop to break even. And we do that in an effort to reduce the risk in our trades. Again, you guys hear me talk about this all the time, is I love making profits, but what I love doing more than that is eliminating risk from the trade as